Are you into wings?
Absolutely. I had some the other night.
Atlanta is heavy with the wings, right? Almost everybody sells wings. Who do you think has the best spot for wings in Atlanta? Somebody watching this, maybe they're coming to Atlanta for the first time. They want to experience the wings in Atlanta. Where would you take them to?
Lit Ass Wings. They infuse the wings with alcohol. They got like Hennessy wings, Ciroc wings. That's amazing.
It's called Lit Ass Wings?
Lit Ass Wings.
I never heard of this place.
Oh my God. They infuse the wings with alcohol.
Where is this place at?
I think he's mobile. He'll pull up on you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, a couple of photo shoots I've been to, he was there and had his tray and whoo.
Which ones were the best?
The Hennessy wings. I like Hennessy. So, yeah.
I've never heard of that.
Amazing. 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 Mm-hmm.
How do you like your wings?
Wet. Really, 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 really wet.
All flats?
Flats and drums. I was just talking about that the other night. How people are like, oh, I just want all flats, extra asses. I just want some wings, and I want them all wet with lemon pepper sprinkles. Yeah.
Even on the Hennessy infused, you want lemon pepper sprinkles?
Oh, just it don't matter. But those can be barbecue, lemon pepper, honey chipotle. They're amazing.
Lit ass wings.
Lit ass wings.
Interesting.
Yes. They're on Instagram too. Follow him. He's dope. He's dope. That was smart. That was a smart ass idea.